Hi guys, back again, and free Sunday morning, so I thought I'd nick along to the Lanarkshire Classic Car Show Owners Club group in Motherwell. Quick nosy round, brought the Mark IV out again, so have a quick 10 minutes here, see what it's about, and then we might go for a garage update. So there's a lot of cars here that I don't really know about. They're a wee bit older than what I'm normally seeing, but I was actually just ready to leave and there's another few arrived, so hopefully I've put in some decent enough music to watch them, and we'll go out and one more quick lap, and then like I say, we'll maybe swing past the Anglia if it's about, and if not we'll go and see the Skyline. But another quick lap, there's some more cool stuff here, but wow.
You know what that makes her?
Aye.
I'm not wearing Henry.
Crazy to see cars like that about, brilliant. It is January, so great turnout for January. I think the people have done alright here that organised this. I think we'll get back, get to a garage, we'll decide on the way back what one we're going to, but let's give us a wee update with what's happening with the cars, get back to their own stuff. Hi guys, back in the garage. That was a good morning, probably already said when I filmed in the car, but random wee Sunday along to the Lanarkshire car show, which was great. So it kind of rained off, so I wasn't wanting to go and pull the angler out of the garage and stuff, so I brought you in to see the Skyline for the first time this year, first time in a while actually. So yeah, so as it stands, looking to tidy up the engine bay a lot. We did get a lot done last year on it, getting the wee bits in the sills done, which were minimal, like I said, but we got away with and done. We sorted out some bushes at the front. Did we do nothing performance wise? No, nothing performance, but anyway, there's a few bits and bobs done, but hoping to tidy up this engine bay a bit this year. Hoping the camera picks up. So we've already took off the hard pipe kit. Now, it's not going to improve performance in any way, but I think I want to go for the old school Grady full polish. I've got the Grady end pipes for the intercooler already. I'm looking to go for the full kit and replace all of the original stuff. I think it'll just look a bit dramatic in there, loads of polish stuff. We'll get the radiator and things to match. So these are all off. Bits actually for sale at the moment if anyone wants them. Pexi induction kit, MAF sensors, twin turbo pipe. Please make me an offer. Yeah, hopefully you guys seen the feature last weekend on Chrissy's GTR. Obviously much higher spec, but one of the things I really liked in his was the battery relocation and how tidy it was in the boot, just strapped onto that firewall at the back. So Chris, I think I'll be copying that. Yeah, so this year and I will do a full video on this, just an update. We're going to put the cover back on. I think everyone knows that there's a platinum race kit under there now, so I did like it without. I think I'm going to go back to on for next year. And what I think I'm going to start with today is taking the inlet manifold off. If I can get a Grady or a Nismo Plasma Man or Hypertune would be great. Wee bit out of my budget though, but I'm wanting to just make this silver. I think it'll clean it up so much in here. Still got the old school kind of brush paint on it, so I think I'm going to start with that today, guys. And quick update, but the Skyline is still here, very much being worked on, and there'll be a full episode of exactly what I'm doing, but I don't see it not being back on the road in time for whenever it usually comes back on, which is April or May maybe at the latest. But I'll keep you guys posted, and again, thanks for watching, and we'll be back next week with a feature of some kind. I don't know what yet, but there's plenty to go at, so thank you.